Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm one of the nurse navigators for TriStar Centennial Medical Center, and I'm going to demonstrate cryotherapy.
Unlock the handle and remove the lid. Fill the polar cube with water to the water line, which is located on the inside of the polar cube. Next, place 4 frozen water bottles in each corner of the polar cube, or add ice up to the ice line. Place the lid back on the polar cube and lock the handle in place. Place an insulation barrier between the cold pad and skin, such as a pillowcase or a washcloth. No part of the cold pad should touch the skin. Place the cold pad on top of the insulated barrier and Velcro into place. Push down on the 2 metal tabs located at the end of the blue tubing. Push connectors together until the metal tabs pop up. To turn on the polar cube, plug power supply into the receptacle, then plug into an electrical outlet. To turn off the polar cube, first unplug from the receptacle, then unplug from the electrical outlet. Next, press down on the metal tabs and pull blue tubing to disconnect. Place an insulation barrier between the cold pad and skin. Velcro pad into place. Press down on the 2 metal tabs to connect and disconnect.